Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is basically Becca and I am Becca. Today we are going to be making some
drawer fresheners.
Yes, and this is my daughter Alyssa. She will be joining us in our preparation today. I like to use the Snuggle Plus scent boosters in Super Fresh. They also have another scent and Downy makes them as well. And these sachets I found at Hobby Lobby in the wedding section. Here, Alyssa is going to take one of the sachets, she's cupping it in her hand, and then she'll add some of the scent boosters. Now this is kind of like a netting, so the scent comes right through the pouch, and squeeze the strings on either side, and I like to double knot them, that way the scent boosters won't leak out in the drawer. And here you go. You can toss these little pouches right in the back of your dresser drawers, and they let off a beautiful scent, and they're good for about 3 months.
The reason we decided to make these is that I got a new dresser for my room and I wanted it to smell nice and fresh.
This really helped us, you guys, and I hope it helps you as well. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Remember to leave a like and maybe even subscribe.
We will see you in my next video. Bye!